Hi there, thank you for joining me. Today we are going to learn how to view your account online, renew your loans, and pay your fines online. Let's start with our website. Today I am looking at the website for Redcliffe Public Library, but you should start on the website for your own library. All of the Shortgrass member library websites are set up similarly, so you can still follow these instructions. The next thing you'll need to do is go to the top of the page and click on My Account. This will take you straight to BiblioCommons, where you can log in to your account. Just enter your library card number and your PIN number, and click Login. If you don't remember your account details, contact your library and they can help you out. Once you've signed in, you'll be able to review your account. For instance, if you click on Hold, you'll be able to see all your current holds, where you are in the queue, what books are currently on their way to you, and you can even cancel or delay your holds. If you click on Checked Out, you can see all of the items that you currently have on loan. There's a list of your loans, and to the right of each title, you can see the due date. From here, I can renew my books up to 2 times, as long as no one else is waiting for them. And finally, you can click on Fees. Here you can view the total amount of fees you owe, as well as a list of what those fees are for. On this page, we can see a number of overdue fees amounting to $14.85. So let's pay that fine off. You can pay all of your fines by clicking the Pay All button, or you can opt to just pay off certain fines. Please note that there is a minimum fine payment threshold of $5, so you'll need to choose at least that many items to pay off. A pop-up will appear on your screen where you can select your payment method. You then enter your payment details and billing address. You can also enter your email address so that the receipt can be sent right to you. Then, you'll just click Pay Now. And that's all there is to it. Your fines will be processed within a minute and your receipt will be sent to the email address that you entered. You can see here, my fee payment was successful. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to check out our other video tutorials to learn more about all of our amazing digital resources and online services. If you have any questions, please contact your library. Thank you, and have a great day.